Hey there, my name is Molly Bruce and I am an undergrad at UNC Chapel Hill. This summer I have big plans to bike across the United States with Bike and Build. It's a really cool organization that's interested in raising awareness about the need for more affordable housing in the United States. So prior to my trip, I am trying to spread awareness and fundraise and participate in different build projects. And then I will be headed to Jacksonville, Florida for May 16th. That's our departure date, and we're headed to Monterey, California, and we should arrive there August 2nd. And our trip is 4,058 miles, and along the way we're not going to be biking every day. We're going to have a couple days off, but then we're also going to be participating in 17 build projects, so days where we're exchanging our bikes for hammers and really trying to make a bunch of progress on a house. 35 young adults hammering away for an entire day. Hopefully we make a difference.